Hello, long time no see. Today we are going to upgrade this car. It's very easy to disassemble and installation. Firstly, let's dismantle the entire central control panel. Then unplug all the plugs on the back of the panel. Now let's unscrew the screws that secure the original car host and unplug its power plug. Now unscrew the two screws that secure the original car screen, and then remove the original car screen. Finally, the original car screen base was also removed. Now we will thread the Android radio cable from the host position to the screen position, then install new plastic accessories. Now unplug the original car's LVDS cable and replace it with the newly matched LVDS cable. Connect the new cable plug to the back of the Android screen according to its size. After connecting, install the Android radio. Because this car does not have an AUX, we need to first connect a USB AUX box, and then use an AUX extension cable to connect the box to the AUX output socket on the power cable. Now we will connect the female end of the Android power cord to the original car host plug, and then insert the male end into the host. After connecting everything, install the host back. Okay, finally, we will also install and restore the entire panel. The modification has now been completed, and this car retains the original system. When using it for the first time, we need to set the resolution of the original system. Because this car decodes audio output through a USB box, we need to enter the original car system for selection and settings so that the Android system can play sound normally. Support original car steering wheel button control Android radio. You can also use the original car knob to control the Android radio. Support original car reversing camera and reversing radar. There are many other functions that support online map navigation, supports Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music. During breaks, you can watch high-definition movies, enjoy wireless CarPlay or Android Auto function from your phone in your car. Support door reminder. Okay, that's all for the video. Thank you for your watching.